Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Welcome to your computing class. In today's class, we will be revising what we have learned so far on the scratch and then we will continue from where we left yesterday. Okay? So, who is going to tell me what we have learned in yesterday's class? It was forever loop. Excellent. Okay. And what does forever loop means? Yes, Sarah. What does forever loop means? Forever loop basically means that when we give a particular command to the sprite, it just do that action for some time and then it stops. But what we want is that the sprite does not stop, it continuously do that action. So that is why we give it a command, we enter it into a forever loop and then it keep on doing that thing, right? Okay. So I'm going to share the screen with you. Let's quickly revise what we have learned in yesterday's class and then we will learn some new things as well. Okay, so let's first quickly revise what we have learned. We first find the control button. It is on fifth number with orange color. Then over there we find the forever. We drag it into the center of the screen. Now in the forever we were supposed to give two commands, so I give it command. The first command was that go to random positions. I'll attach it over here. And the second command that I give it was that play the sound meow, right? Okay, now when I click on it, so see, that was what we have learned in yesterday's class, right? Now what I'll be doing, I'll um change it. Let's say in the motion, first I'll say go to random positions, then I'll add move 10 steps after it, play the sound, and the next thing would be that say hello. Instead of play the sound, I'll say hello. Now I'm changing the functions. Okay, there is this little change. Now let's click on this. And what if I add this play sound as well? Now one thing that I want you to note down over here is that the sprite can do 3 to 4 functions at the same time. See, it is going to random positions, it is moving as well, it is saying hello, and it is playing sound as well. So these 4 functions are doing at the same time. So similarly, if you give some other commands, let's say switch costume, change costume, switch backdrop to, so it will be doing that functions at the same time as well, right? So what this practice is about, that let's say when we give certain commands or more commands to the sprite to do it at a similar time, whether it can do that or no. Yes, it can do that, it can do it perfectly. And when we will attach that command into the forever loop, this means that it will keep on doing that thing. Got it? Okay, so now I want all of you to please open the scratch. Hurry up, open the scratch. What would be the next step? You will go into the control option, which is on fifth number with orange dot. Then from there you will find the forever loop and you will drag it into the center of the screen. Then within that you can choose any commands of your own. It would be from motion area, it would be from sound area, it can be from looks area, anywhere from where you want to. Just drag some commands into the forever loop and then click whether it's working or not. Hurry up. Yes, is it working or not? It is. So tell me, what are the commands you have given? Excellent, wonderful. Okay, class, that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do practice it at your home as well and let me know if you have any confusion. We will resolve it together. Share this video with others because it's free learning. Take care. Allah Hafiz.